Estos son los verbos que necesitas saber cuando hablas de líquidos. Amplía tu vocabulario a un nivel intermedio y mejora tu comprensión auditiva escuchando frases con estos verbos muy útiles. Un verbo que se usa a menudo con líquidos es run. Run, ran, run, running. Water runs in this creek year-round. Water runs in this creek year-round. Who left the faucet running? Who left the faucet running? A river runs through the city. A river runs through the city. Tears ran down her face. Tears ran down her face. Pour, poured, pouring. Can I pour you more coffee? Can I pour you more coffee? She poured herself a glass of wine. She poured herself a glass of wine. Should I pour the sauce over the noodles? Should I pour the sauce over the noodles? It's pouring out there, so drive carefully. It's pouring out there, so drive carefully. Spill, spilled, spilling. Don't spill your coffee on the keyboard. Don't spill your coffee on the keyboard. I spilled coffee on the rug. I spilled coffee on the rug. Who spilled the drink, the man or the woman? Who spilled the drink, the man or the woman? You're spilling milk on the table. You're spilling milk on the table. Stir, stirred, stirring. Add ice and stir. Add ice and stir. She stirred the coffee. She stirred the coffee. This paint needs to be stirred. This paint needs to be stirred. Boil the soup, stirring frequently. Boil the soup, stirring frequently. Keep stirring the sauce until it thickens. Keep stirring the sauce until it thickens. Drip, dripped, dripping. The water slowly drips into the soil. The water slowly drips into the soil. The faucet has been dripping all night. The faucet has been dripping all night. Water dripped from a leak in the ceiling. Water dripped from a leak in the ceiling. Flow, flowed, flowing. This stream flows from a spring in the mountains. This stream flows from a spring in the mountains. The Amazon River flows into the Atlantic Ocean. The Amazon River flows into the Atlantic Ocean. Years ago, a river flowed through this valley. Years ago, a river flowed through this valley. Lava from the volcano was flowing down the hillside. Lava from the volcano was flowing down the hillside. Splash, splashed, splashing. Elephants love to splash in the water. Elephants love to splash in the water. A passing car splashed water on us. A passing car splashed water on us. The kids were splashing water on each other. The kids were splashing water on each other. Flood, flooded, flooding. This valley floods every spring. This valley floods every spring. Heavy rains flooded the streets. Heavy rains flooded the streets. The whole neighborhood was flooded. The whole neighborhood was flooded. Drain, drained, draining. Just leave the dishes to drain. Just leave the dishes to drain. Can you grate some cheese while I drain the pasta? Can you grate some cheese while I drain the pasta? The water has drained from the sink. The water has drained from the sink. He's draining the oil from the transfer case. He's draining the oil from the transfer case. Flush, flushed, flushing. The toilet flushes automatically. The toilet flushes automatically. Drinking a lot of water will help flush toxins from the body. Drinking a lot of water will help flush toxins from the body. Don't forget to flush the toilet. Don't forget to flush the toilet.